Good morning and welcome to another week. I hope you're doing well. It looks like you guys are starting to really get the hang of this remote learning. Last week, you guys did a great job at clicking turn in on your assignments, which really does make it easier for me to check your work over. At the end, I could just go right in and I could just find everybody in a line and see who's turned it in. And it looks like all of you are doing a good job at that. So I'm super, super proud and super happy to see that because you're making my job a little bit easier at home right now. So let's talk a little bit about what's coming up this week. This week, your EL lessons are with Miss Arcee and Miss Siha. They are going to be doing nonfiction with you, where they're going to be talking to you about bats. So you're going to be learning about the author's opinion, so what the author thinks about a topic, and I want you to be thinking about your opinion about the topic as well, and you're going to be taking some notes later on this week. You are going to be finishing geometry and math with Mrs. Nanny and myself. On Thursday, you're taking a quick geometry assessment, and like all the assessments that you've been doing, please don't ask your parents for help. They can read a question if they need to, but I want to see what you can do. And that feedback that comes when you're done is helping you to learn from any mistakes that you're making. So make sure that you are, doing your best and really doing what you could do. I've changed our Google Meets for this coming week and from now on. So instead of being on Tuesdays and Thursdays at 2, they will now be Tuesday and Thursday at 10:15. So I'm hoping that way you can get it done in the morning along with the time that maybe you're doing your schoolwork. And then you have your afternoon to go outside and play, bike ride, and hike and do all those wonderful things that I know that you're doing outside because the weather's getting super nice. So 10:15. Don't forget that. I'm going to send an email to your parents as well so that they know those times. The classroom office hours are still from 1 to 2. So if you need one of those time slots, please go on to our Google Classroom and sign in for one of the office hours from 1 to 2. Also, this coming Sunday, May 10th, is Mother's Day. If you did not know that, you might not be thinking about that right now. But on your Wednesday slide for morning message, there's a little heart picture with a poem that you can fill in the blanks. You're going to have to draw that heart on a sheet of paper yourself. So if you have some construction paper or white paper, you can go ahead and make a heart and just fill in that poem. This is just an idea. If you have your own idea, that's great too. But I just wanted to make sure that you had a reminder that Mother's Day is coming up. So make that little poem or something else and put it someplace special so that you can celebrate that lovely lady in your life on Sunday and treat them special. So I hope you have a wonderful week and I will see you soon.